Okay, the first one we're going to look at is sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. All right, and like we talked about, the sum of angles in a triangle, all of them, let's identify these angles first. All these angles right here should equal to 180. All right, so whatever they are, say this is A, B, C, whatever they are, when I add them up, Isaiah, are you? When I add them up, it should equal to 180. All right, so let's look at another one. No, new page. So if I have another triangle, and I say this one is 50, this one is 50, then this one has to be 130. Because when I add them up, oh wait, is it 130? Let's check. If I add them up, 50 plus 50 plus 130, that is equal to 230. So is that right? What do the angles in a triangle add up to? 180, but this says 230, so that cannot be right. So this is telling me that this right here is not a triangle. If they don't add up to equal to the same 180 every single time, it is not a triangle. All right, it's some other shape. All right, so if I have a triangle, this is 20, this is 130. What is this one then? $30. Yep. Right, do you agree? Yeah? 20, I'm gonna pause. 20 plus 30 plus 130 equals 180. Next, we're gonna look at, just review again, exterior angle. So that was interior angles because it's inside of a triangle. Exterior angles. And that talks about when we have a triangle, but there's like that extra line on the outside. That's 20 and that's 30. Then it's telling me that this angle right here that's on the outside, that's opposite of the two inside angle, then you add them up and you get that one. Realize I did not include this angle. If the angle is beside that outside angle, it's not included. It's only the two that are opposites. All right, so let's make that line. What is that exterior angle right here? What is this angle right here? 80. All I got to do is just add those two numbers to get that in that exterior angle. Now let's look at a different example. This time, what I'll do, I'm going to give you what this angle is, 50, and what this angle is, 30. And my question to you is, how do I find what that green one is? Keep in mind, we just did interior angles. Let me see, pause. what would I do to find this green spot right here? They gave me these two angles. Pause, resume recording. What she's saying is I add these two angles and I get 80, but I know the angles in a triangle add up to equal to 180. So since this is 80, this right here is 100. Because then all three numbers add up to be 180. Then now if I want to find this outside angle, I have to take these two numbers on the opposite end, which makes it 130. That's kind of how we combine the interior and exterior angles. I'm gonna